Here's the original 1960s Barrel of Monkeys. And yes, it's the original, even though many decades ago, many years after, they did later variants of this, including the ones with the two different colors for the barrel and for the different colored monkeys. And on the 2012 ones, they're all in one color. This particular version is from '66. And yes, this came out in the 60s when the music I listened to came out, and this came out in like the Beach Boys era. And same with Rolling Stones and Living Spoonful. Can pop the lid. Great shaping those use. Already took the label. And yes, it has a barrel and some multicolor monkeys. Have 4 yellow, 4 blue, and 4 red monkeys. And yes, they're also pretty similar to the later different color variants I remember playing with as a kid. You could try to collect many of them as you can. Yes, it's a pretty cool toy, and it's still popular since '65 and or '66. And there's still a lot of fun game and toy to play with. So yes, that's my Barrel of Monkeys. Pretty neat, huh?